How much should you actually spend on a CB antenna for your truck? Because some folks are happy buying the cheap ones, while others swear by the pricier models. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Wilson T2000 Series Red Antenna. First up, we have the Wilson Antenna 305 to 493 T2000 Series Red Mobile CB Trucker Antenna, priced at $66.49. What caught my eye is the vibrant red color and its sleek design. If you want a reliable antenna that stands out, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. This antenna features a 5-inch shaft with a 49-inch stainless steel whip, rated at a whopping 3,500 watts. That means it's built for power handling, ensuring you maintain a solid connection even on long hauls. The larger coil housing allows for increased power handling, which could be a game changer for your communications out on the road. With a 4.7-star rating from over 500 reviews, it's clear that many truckers trust this antenna. But let's keep it real. Some users mentioned that it could be a bit tricky to install. Here's the thing though. If you're comfortable with basic tools and have a little patience, the installation process shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable, high-performance antenna that also catches the eye. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler or less flashy. For the price, you're getting solid value and performance. Now, if installation ease is your top priority, the next one on my list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Wilson T2000 Series Black Antenna. Next, we have the Wilson 305 to 492 T2000 Series Black Mobile CB Trucker Antenna, priced at $69.79. The sleek black finish really drew me in, and it promises a lot of power. This antenna also features a 5-inch shaft and a 49-inch stainless steel whip, rated at 3,500 watts. The frequency range of 26 MHz to 30 MHz means you can communicate over long distances without interference. With over 2,000 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating, it's a popular choice for truckers who need reliability. However, some users reported that it could be a bit heavy for certain mounts. Here's the thing. If your truck has a sturdy mount, this shouldn't be an issue at all, and the performance definitely outweighs this minor concern. This antenna is great for you if you want something that provides excellent performance and a sleek look. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to handle. For the quality, you're getting a good bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a bit more versatility. Product number 3. Wilson T2000 Series Replacement Antenna. Now, let's check out the Wilson Antenna's 305 to 495 T2000 Series 3500 watt trucker antenna, which is going for $53.48. I love that it's a replacement antenna, making it a great option if you need something quick and effective. This model also comes rated at 3,500 watts with a frequency range of 26 MHz to 30 MHz. What's really impressive is the 10-inch shaft standard with a 0.38-inch x 24 thread, giving you flexibility in installation. That larger coil housing allows for increased power handling as well, which is essential for long-distance communication. With a 4.6-star rating from almost 700 reviews, it's clear this antenna is doing something right. But I have to mention, some users found the installation instructions lacking. Here's why it's still worth it. Once you figure it out, the performance is fantastic, and many users have reported clear communication even in tough conditions. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, quick replacement that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this if you're looking for something with more advanced features. For the price, it's a solid purchase for any trucker. Now, if you're looking for a more compact option, the next product really shines in that area. Product number 4. Wilson T2000 Series White Antenna. Let's move on to the Wilson 305 to 497 T2000 Series Black Mobile CB Trucker Antenna, priced at $72.54. What caught my attention here is the unique white color, making it stand out from the crowd. This antenna has a 10-inch shaft and a 49-inch stainless steel whip, rated at 3,500 watts. That patented low loss, air wound coil design is meant to optimize performance, ensuring you're connected when it matters most. It also has a great frequency range for reliable communication. With a 4.7-star rating from 457 reviews, it seems to be a favorite for truckers who value performance. However, some people noted that the white color can get dirty quickly. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to give it a quick wipe every now and then, it's well worth it for the clarity and reliability you'll get. This is perfect for you if you want an antenna that looks good while providing top-notch performance. Skip this if you prefer something that stays clean without constant maintenance. For the quality, it's a good investment. Now, if you're on a budget and want something that still performs well, the last product might be exactly what you need. Product number 5, ProStick 2-foot fiberglass antenna. Finally, we have the ProStick 2-foot fiberglass CB radio antenna, priced at $23.99. It's a budget-friendly option that actually caught my interest with its unique design. This antenna features the exclusive VibraSorb anti-breakage design, which means it's built to withstand the rigors of the road. It operates in the CB radio frequency range of 26 to 29.5 MHz, making it a solid choice for those who don't need the highest power output. With a 4.4-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, it seems to be a popular pick among budget-conscious truckers. But I have to say, some users mentioned that it doesn't perform as well at longer distances. Here's the thing. If you mostly drive locally or don't require long-range communication, this antenna is still a great value. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want something reliable without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need high-performance communication for long hauls. For the price, it's hard to beat the value here. So, to wrap it up, we've got the Wilson T2000 series in both red and black for those who want high performance and style, the T2000 replacement for quick fixes, the white T2000 for a unique look, and the budget-friendly ProStick option that still delivers solid value. Each of these antennas has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.